Okay, everyone, let's talk about lesson 6 of Logic of English. So you're going to be introducing 3 new phonogram sounds. This one is the one you're probably most familiar with. I usually say it's the pirate sound, R. I try to do it out of the side of my mouth so they have more of a physical feeling for it, but it's definitely R. R, it's an R control. These two, the kids are really familiar with the first sounds because they learned these way back probably in first grade or kindergarten, but there's actually multiple sounds. For the CH, it goes ch. That's your normal sound, right? K, like in school, or sh, like in chef, or Chicago, or Michigan. And then this, ooh is your most common sound, right? But they're going to go ooh, and then o. Ooh, oh. Now on the back, this last one, floor, there's technically only 3 words in the entire English language where OO makes the O sound. So it's floor, door, poor, like I'm feeling poor. So we review them, but there's only those 3 words. So it's ooh, oh. There's also a new rule. This one's we often double the F, L, or S after a single short or broad vowel at the end of a base word. That's really wordy. I don't know about you. I think we often double F, L, or S at the end of a base word is plenty. But I teach the kids this whole wordiness. So we can talk as a group if you think it's just necessary to say we often double F, L, or S at the end of words. I think that that is a much more shortened, student-friendly version. In the video, there are points to pause this time. I know that I haven't done that in a while, but I kind of had to divide up the lesson. So here you go, we're going back to the schwa again, the lazy sound, and they're supposed to put in the vowel on page 79 that they're hearing, because I'm going to enunciate the actual sound. I don't do this part down here, schwa in unstressed words, just so you know. The last part of the student video has them working on this. We're going to call this the floss rule, this one, FLS. If you put an O between those, it makes floss. So, and what they do is they just double, I think they underline. No, they don't even underline. I apologize. They're just marking the vowels in this, whether it is short or broad, and broad is that third sound. That's pretty much what they're doing. And the point is to help them to see that in English words, lots of consonants are doubled at the end, but it doesn't mean we say them twice, but we have to spell them twice in order for it to be correct. So let's go through your actual word list. So I'm going to start with A. So if you are not doing A, third grade teachers, then go ahead and you can skip ahead. So we've got glass. So I would say g-o-ass, and then go g-o-ass, and I'd say double your s like that. You could either do that or you could go g-o-ass. But you don't want to say this twice. It's not like we read this twice, right? Or say the sound s twice when we're actually saying glass. So you just want to go g-o-ass and then say double your s so they remember. Cliff, k-o-if, double your f. Brush, b-r-sh. Make sure they underline that sh. All, o, and double your o. This is that Waldo rule. Remember that A can make its a broad sound before an L. Ball, b-a-o, double your o. School. This gets into our CH making its second sound. So school, I would say sk, oo, and I have to add another finger here. Oh, that's a lot. Sk, oo, oh. And hopefully they'll see visually that that's 2 letters, so it's got to be something. Clarify, though, it's the ch, k, sh, so they don't think it's the 2-letter k. Pour, p-o-r, pour, and use the o. Car, k-r. Secret. This is a multiple syllable word. So second grade teachers, I know you haven't had too many of these because you're just doing the first 10. So you'd say secret, they say secret. You give it in a sentence, you say how many syllables? secret. Say to spell secret. You stretch out each syllable. So C, S, E. Notice it's just one E. Cret. K, et. Cret. Put a line over this E because it's saying its name at the end of a syllable. Moon. M, U, N. Number 11 is book. B-U-K. Use the U-O. Water. Again, a two-syllable. So say to spell water. So you got wa-a-t-er. Kids are going to need clarification, though. That's the a-a-ah. That is the A making its ah sound. Class is number 13. K-o-a-s. Double your s. Full is number 14. F-u-l. Double your ul. And then sharp. Sh-ar-p. Sharp. Okay, I hope that makes sense. That's list A for you. Excuse me. You do not need to underline the double consonants at the end, even though they're making one sound, unless you feel like that helps your students to recognize that those two go together. Let's go on to list B. So you guys, you've got your 15 words. You've got multiple words that have more than one syllable, especially number 3. So let's go ahead and start with number 1, smooth. So say to spell smooth, S-M-O-O-Th. I'm going to bring my finger up to make that V because I don't know what else to do. Smooth. Next one, seashell. Say seashell. C, S-E, sh-e-o, and double your o. Crazy fingers here. Make sure they remember this is the E-A-A. Afternoon. Say to spell afternoon. Noon. N-oo-n. Feel free to take it syllable by syllable if you want to go af, write it, like make them write it. And then go write it. Use the of her. Make sure in this word they're underlining the ER, they're underlining the OO. Number 4, igloo. Igloo. Stuff is number 5. F. Double your f. Sandwich. Say to spell sandwich. Otherwise, they won't hear that done there. Sandwich. And itch. I can't even do my fingers like that. Which. Bunch is number 7. Bunch. Bunch. Garden. Say to spell garden. G-R-D-N. Garden. Quart. Here's where you're going to be a little different. You're going to say to spell quart. Quart, because there's that R in there. We don't say it like that, but for the point of spelling, we want to think quart. So it's quart. Quart. But then talk with the kids. We say quart, like a quart of milk or whatever, but we want to think quart. And then the next couple are related to that. Quarter, we want to think quarter. So watch. Quart-er. Oops. Quart-er is what I think I would do, actually. Quarter, but we say quarter. And then quartet, I would say quartet. 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 Number 12 is joyless. Say joyless. Joy, joy-less. O-S, double your s. Painless. Say painless. P-A-N-O-S, double your s. Fearless. Say fearless. F-E-R-O-S, double your s. Make sure they're underlining that EA. And then the last one, number 15, is lizard. Again, I would enunciate it and say to spell lizard. O-is-R-D. So they can hear that that's that AR making that sound. I hope that helps you. Later on this week, in the next few days, 3, 4, and 5, you talk about commas in a series. That's something new that's identified as far as grammar is concerned. Parts of speech are still nouns and adjectives, as well as article adjectives. You're doing a lot with compound words. List B, you're getting into a lot of vocabulary, how you add suffixes. Really cool stuff. You let me know how it goes. I've never actually done that. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you can see this video and the other one that I made for the students. Bye.